Now let's look at last index of. Last index of is very similar to just index of, but unlike index of, last index of is going to start searching from the end. So in the other tutorial, we went over index of. I have the tab open here, and this will search for the value that we're asking to search on and give us the index of that value. So this one here, index of blue, would search 0, 1, and it would find blue at index 1, and then that's our result. Well, last index of does the same thing in reverse. So it starts here and it searches for green. It searches on this index and sees green, and then this one blue. And because it found it, it returns the index of the first one it found. And you can see here we actually have two elements with the value of blue, but last index of ensures that we only get the index of the last one. And then here we have an example for yellow, which isn't found, and like index of, if it's not found, it will return -1. And we can pass in a second parameter, just like we can with index of, but in this case, you have to keep in mind that it is searching for the value in the reverse order. So here, if we started with 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, it would search on this indice and find green, so it would keep going, and then it would come here and find blue, and then return us that indice, which is 2. If we change this to 2, it's the same thing, because now it just started to search here and immediately found blue. Now, this is the interesting thing. If we change this to 1, now the last index that was found starting at 1 is blue at index 1. So we told it we want to search from the end to the beginning, but we want to skip over this one and skip over this one. Actually, we just want to start searching from here, and that is 1. If we change this to 0, then it would only start searching here and say that's red, so it couldn't find it, and then we get -1.